Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the gift center, the gift zone, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Starting here, we got some DeWalt toolboxes. Tough chest, 63 gallon for $79. Then we got the Husky next to it, $59.97, 50 gallon job box. And then we got the 6-piece tool combo kit for $199. It's a good DIY homeowner set. You guys see it does include 2 batteries, big battery, small battery, circular saw, reciprocating saw, pretty much all the tools that you're going to need. You got the rigid 10-inch table saw, $349 with the stand. It's a really nice table saw here. Really great value with the stand. You got some bits here with the 3/8 drive, 37 piece, $24.97. Comes with a nice case. And then you got this 46 piece tool stubby tool set, $19.97. That's a great little set to have like in a motorcycle or small space. $59.97, 12 volt cordless ratchet. That seems like it's been there for a while. A lot of dust. Got some extensions there, pretty much universal. Adapter set, 19 piece for $24.97. Then you got the 2-piece breaker bar, and that breaker bar is actually not very long. It's only 15 inches, so I would recommend getting a longer one to get a bigger leverage. There's a torque wrench right there, the 3/8. That's the one that they have left. And then we got the Diablo blade, 16 piece, or Diablo spade bit set, $19.88. It's a nice little set with the sleeve on the back. $8.97 for the 27x2. Heavy duty tie downs. I like the rubber handle there. You got $99 for this pressure washer. I do have it. Works really good, especially for washing the car. You know, obviously if you're going to be doing like bigger duties or bigger jobs, I would recommend you guys go for gas. That's the vacuum, the Ryobi vacuum. $15.98 for Duracell copper top, AA and AAA. Got a nice big pack there for all the toys and gifts you're going to give out. $9.88, 25-piece magnetic precision screwdriver set, or the 6-in-1 screwdriver 2-pack, which that's the only one they can have left. Got $29.97 for the 16-inch tool backpack. Does have some nice rugged bottom there. Nice rubber bottom, and then that's pretty rugged right there, and then you got a lot of pockets inside so you can store all your tools. Then you got the 1310 lumen, 1300 lumen dual power utility light. You got the pivot light there. That's a really nice light there. I pushed the right there. It doesn't look it's flashing in real time. It's just a camera. Just keep that in mind. I know it looks like it's flashing, but it's not. That's flashing. The red one is flashing. But that's a pretty nice light from Coast. And then you got some DeWalt 14-piece for $9.97. It's a really nice set for the homeowner DIY. Or if you're a professional, you want to stock up on these, have a few of these laying around. I think this is the much better deal here. Got some nut drivers there to the right. Magnetic sleeve. You got a 2-inch Phillips. It's a really nice case with a lot of bits there for $9.97. Got the Stanley Fat Maxes. Most of the stores are already sold out on this one. 1988. So pretty much this is a standard for construction grade. A lot of people go by those, swear by those basically. 2988 for the. It looks like a tough. What is it? T-stack from T-Waltz. Compatible with the T-stack. Got drill driver or impact driver for $99. Got a Vanti Pro, a 12-inch 80 tooth. It's a nice twin pack there for $34.97. Especially if you're doing big jobs, make sure you guys stock up on these, like flooring and stuff. Got cargo management system, basically all inclusive. You got a nice a recovery rope, and you got other tie downs and stuff like that. You got the homeowner box or the Homer box, 19-inch toolbox for $9.97. It is plastic, so it is very inexpensive. So it is a toolbox. So $14.88 for the 2 pair full grain pigskin leather work gloves. They feel really nice. Not too bad. Firm grip 2 pair tough working gloves. So I guess you have to choose your large, medium, or extra large. $19.88 3 pair general purpose gloves. These are really nice too. I prefer those. $4.88 for a 3-pack all-purpose grip gloves. This is like their coated work gloves for Hope. So in pink. Got $13.98 for the copper fit guardrail hand protector. Basically, it's like a glove, but it's I would say it's thinner. So box doesn't weigh any, and hardly weighs anything. So I guess my guess is that it's very thin glove there. As you guys see there, and they give you like a table there. You can XL, or large, or medium. You got $19.97 for the project, for the deadbolts here, from Defiant. They're in black. So they got keyed entry and deadbolts. So those are all keyed entries. It's great to have if you have a shed or something on the back. You need to replace it. That's pretty much what these are good for. $24.97. Got the Quickset, a little better brand. Got the Gerber's, a great brand for knives and multi-tools. That's the machete with the knife. It's a nice machete there. $24.97, your choice. And then you got the Advanti Pro 10-inch 60 tooth, a twin pack. Then you got an 80 tooth, 12-inch, $24.97 and $34.97 for the 12-inch. Got some Dremel lights for $39.97. Your choice. Then you got some Milwaukee M12 power tools, which I didn't see the price. And then you got the rubber light here, which I did not see the price. That's probably belongs in another area. But we can take a look at it. It's a really nice light. It looks like you can put it on rafter. Many setups. So it looks like a really quality light there. With nice big LEDs. Then you got the titanium 23-piece, $24.97. It's a really great value there. You got some M12 deals here if you still have them available. This store is pretty. It's pretty good actually. This is one of my favorite stores to come by because they still have a lot of tools stocked up, and it's a fairly large store, so fairly clean too. And the decoration I like the decorations. They got some great, holiday spirit there. $39.97 for the bimetal hole saw kit, 9 piece. So it does have a 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 2 inch, 2 1/2. With a nice case. And then you got the wet and dry vac for $99. Milwaukee, you got the filters, 2-pack, $19.88. And they're out of the filters. A lot of people buying those filters. You got a 9-gallon, 4.25 peak horsepower wet and dry, $49.88 from Rigid. With some bonus attachments. Got $12.88 for a 2-pack, 500 lumen compact utility lights. I guess these are battery operated. I don't think these are rechargeable. Got some gloves there in $8.88, your choice. Oil and water resistant. Pretty nice. I like the leather. Then they had this, the Stanley, the rack. You can basically, sorry about my cell phone, call me from work. Basically can put a rack in any vehicle. So you guys see that Prius, that you know, it looks like a Prius. You're getting a rack and putting a ladder, 2x4s or whatever you want to carry up there. $4.97, 5-piece scissor set. Looks like a lot of scissors. Just put in each drawer, your office. $5.98 for the poly rope. 3/8 by 100. As it says there, Everbuilt. Looks pretty good quality. $19.88 for a 5-inch 50-pack assorted disc assorted pack. So they're almost out of those. $14.97 for a 1000 lumen LED utility light. I believe these are not chargeable. And then you got some 4-piece organizers. Basically for screws and bolts, whatever you have. You got some flashlights there. A 3-pack with batteries, $9.97. 100 lumen. Got a hole dozer here, hole saw kit, a 13-piece, $84.97. We got 3/4, 7/8, 1 1/8, 1 3/8, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, 2 all the way to 2 1/2. Goatskin leather gloves, $19.97, Milwaukee. Look pretty nice. Looks like you can, you know, manage your phone with those gloves. Touch screen sensitive. $19.97 for the Milwaukee. 20 blades, so you basically buy 10, get 10 for free. That's a great deal. $29.88 for a 2-pack of 100 lumen pen light. That's it right there. Pretty nice. Pretty good quality. And it's just like a pen, so it doesn't take a lot of space. $9.88 for the 6-piece spray bid set from Diablo. It's a really nice set there. Pretty simple. Very inexpensive. $14.97 for the 2-pack of wrench racks. And the socket rack, which they're already sold out. Then they got the knife and utility knife set. 2-pack, $9.88. I'm surprised they still have these in stock. Well, actually, I'm surprised they still have a lot of these in stock. $14.97 for the 2-pack of Diablo blades. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this MacBook to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.